Hi, hello friends. This is Dinesh Reddy signing up with Learners Kebab. And now this is my new mic which I have brought from Amazon. If you want, I will keep it in the description. And now today we will discuss about the check button. And check button is consisting of some new things that is flashing like here. And toggle is not similar to, means it will make positive to negative, negative to positive. And then selecting all and selecting and deselecting and all in the check button. Check button means here you can see there we can keep one tick mark like that. Hi friends, today now we will discuss about the check button, and here you can see that check button is mainly used for selection purpose and it will create a checkbox, and this is the main syntax of the check button. And now we'll see the options and the descriptions, and here you can see that these are similar to all, that is big background, FC means foreground, active background and all, and bitmap command all are the same for all, but only difference for here is off value, on value, select color and variable. These four are the only differences for this check button. We'll discuss about them only. And now here you can see off value means when that particular checkbox is not selected, then this value will be printed. On value means when it is selected, this on value will be given as a variable or a string, and that value will be taken. And selecting color means the tick mark will form in that particular box. What color should it give? That value will be given here. And then the variable means we need to define a variable before the function. In that variable we take the string as int and all. And now we will see them. And now here you can see we have imported the tick mark with a star and then or equal to tk and then r dot geometry and all are the same. And here we have defined that wv is a variable, and that variable is int var means it will take integer values. And here we have used ev equal to string var, here yes and v should be capital, and here I and v should be capital, and here ev will take it as string values. And then we have defined the function, that is define a function p, and then in that print we'll use wv.get and ev.get means these variables will be printed here. And then we have used w equal to check button, here c should be capital and we call the master word, and then the text we have make it as Dinesh, and then select color means that box color will be red and then the background will be blue. And we have make it here, we have used wv as integer where here the variable is wv, so we should use integers here. So on value equal to 100, and then foreground we have taken as yellow and off value will be 0, and here we have used the active background is green. And now here you can see that some difference here. I have used it to cut that line and then continue to the next line. You can use this command for using the continuity to the next line. And similarly I have defined the e by taking the variable ev and the on value as selected and the off value as deselected. And then we have packed similarly, and then I have used a button, that is text equal to print and then command is p, and means this function will be printed. And then we have packed it in the bottom. You can see the output, and here the values will be printed when we press this print button. And now we first will select both the values and see what the value will be printed here. Now just press print. Here it is printed 100 and selected. We have used wv.get and ev.get, so it is printed with some space. And now we will deselect the Dinesh value, and now we will see the value will be 0 and selected. And now we will deselect both and try what will be printed, 0 and deselected. And now we will select only one value, and here the 100 and deselected will be printed. You can see the methods and the description. Here I have used deselect, flash, select and the toggle. And here deselect means it will deselect all the values which you have selected, and flash means it will change the colors from the active to passive for I think it will be taken as 3 times between its active and normal color. And select means it will select all the check buttons which you have given. Toggle means if you given selected means it will deselect, and if you have deselected means then it will become selected. Now here is the program for using the selector. Now here as well I have taken all the things, These all are similarly which we have defined previously. And now adding on that we have defined F, T, S and D. Here F means it will flash, that is calling that check button, that is W. Here we have used the check button variable, here is W. So that should be called here. If we use WV means it will get error, and it is because GEV means it will save only integer value, and here W means the check button will be saved. So we have used here W.flash and E.flash and toggle same commands, and then we will print the toggle. Here we did not use print value because printing that is waste. Same value will be printed when we flash also. And select means it will select all and print that value, and deselect means it will be printed. And in the down we have used that buttons. Text equal to first value flash and then command equal to F. Here you can see the F. And then toggle to T and select to S and deselect to D. And here I did not use the button for printing. Text equal to print and then command equal to P, and then we need to pack. And now we will see the program running the output. And here first we will select both the values and print what will be printed. Here you can see 100 selected, and then first we will use the toggle. Here Dinesh is not selected and Reddy is selected. Now we will see the toggle 100 selected and deselected. Initially we have selected this Reddy, but it is showing deselected and the values have been changed. Now we will use the flash. As here you can see, first Dinesh is flashing and then Reddy is flashing, because we have used W.flash first and then E.flash second. So that happens. And then now we will use the select button, means it will select both the values. Now we can check it. It has selected. And now if you use toggle means it will deselect both and print the deselected values. As these are inside deselected mode, we will select one thing and try deselect 0 and then deselect. All are deselected. For this toggle means 100 and selected. Okay, thank you friends for watching my videos.